Today, we're going to be installing the StarLeaf GT Mini 3330. In this example, we'll use a StarLeaf microphone, PTZ camera, Touch 2045 controller, and Pronto cable USB. Now, all the cables that you need for this installation will be included in the box. Looking at the back of the unit, we'll be working from the left to the right. First, we'll connect the StarLeaf microphone using the included XLR to USB cable. Continuing on, audio can be sent out via the line out port or carried over the HDMI cable. If I wanted to take audio in from another device, I would connect it to the line in port. I'll be using the speakers in my screen for audio. To do so, I'll connect it to the HDMI port, but we'll talk more about that later. Next, we're going to attach the camera. If you're using a USB camera, connect it to the ports here. Today, I'm using a PTZ camera. I'm going to connect it to the camera HDMI in port, and I'll also attach a Visca cable to camera control. This will allow me to control the camera from the touchscreen.
You will also need to connect the power supply to the camera.
Now to connect to my screen. I'm connecting just one screen today, and I've already plugged the HDMI cable into the screen itself. At this end, we'll be connecting to the port with the blue A icon, which also carries audio for the speakers on the screen. I now need to connect the GT Mini to the network. I've already connected one end of my Ethernet cable to a network port in the room, and I will plug the other end into the first network port on the GT Mini. Next, I connect another included Ethernet cable to the second network port on the GT Mini, and I connect the other end of this to the touchscreen controller. Now, I'll connect Pronto cable USB for content sharing. Depending on your plan for cable management, you could connect it to the GT Mini using a USB-A cable. But in this example, I'm going to connect directly to the touchscreen controller using the included micro USB to USB-C cable.
You can use the supplied cable tie to ensure that the Pronto cable does not come loose.
The only thing left to do is power up the unit. Connect the GT Mini power supply to the port on the right. Once the power source has been switched on, the green light will start flashing, which means that the GT Mini is booting up. For more information, visit support.starleaf.com.